In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a problem that appears when videos can play on Telegram. So, the first thing you want to do is to go to your settings and then go to apps and notifications. Then you're going to search for Telegram, and once you're there, you're going to click on force detention or force stop. Then click on OK, and this will automatically close the app. Then go to storage and then delete the cache memory. If the problem hasn't been fixed, you want to try to see if your Telegram app is updated. For that, we're going to open Google Play Store to check that. So, once you open Google Play Store, you want to search for Telegram on the search bar. Then click there and open it. And here you can select the option that says Update. That will appear if your app is not updated. And that should solve the problem. But if the problem continues, you might want to check if your internet connection is working. For that, you want to go to Settings again, and then go to Network, and you may want to try to deactivate your Wi-Fi. And this way, you can try and see if the videos work using your mobile network. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!